Meaning of filming.
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 Filming. Filming refers to the act of recording images and/or sound on film or digitally for the purpose of creating a visual production, such as a movie, television show, or commercial. The result of filming is a collection of recordings that can be edited and assembled into a final product that tells a story or conveys information to an audience. Through careful selection of camera angles, lighting, and sound, filmmakers strive to create a cohesive and engaging viewing experience that captures the attention and emotions of their audience.